The next flow tool cooler is a packaged vortex tube. A vortex tube being a device that creates freezing air out of compressed air for spot cooling. The tool cooler packages this vortex tube with a hot end sleeve for protection and also for muffling, as well as a cold end muffler, and then supplied with a strong magnet to be able to attach the device to a machine. A typical flexible hose, normally a lock line hose, is utilized at the cold end of the tool cooler to direct the cold air either in a single point or in a double point to the cutting tool in any dry machining application. The freezing cold air from the tool cooler allows for much higher quality production in the machining, very often eliminating that blue tainted burning that occurs on a lot of the material that comes off from the material being cut. It's extremely popular in cutting glass and plastic, certain materials such as titanium, where coolant, even mist coolant, cannot be utilized. Dry machining is a technology which is coming into play more and more because the dealing with coolant and the handling of it, the disposal of it, is getting to be more and more costly even for just environmental considerations. And while a lot of design changes still have to be made on equipment, this type of technology is coming into play more and more as time goes on. What the tool cooler does is allows you to adapt to dry machining even in small operations where if you're using a mist coolant, a lot of the time the mist coolant can even be replaced with the dry machining. Only if you need some lubrication does it kind of discount the possibility of using totally dry applications. However, Nextflow does have a mist cooler adapting a vortex tube as an option, which can be looked up on the website. But the tool cooler itself is extremely popular for dry machining applications. Depending on how heavy the machining process is, how difficult it is, the tool cooler comes with different cooling capacities. The most popular is only the 15 CFM size, but larger capacity units are available for more difficult machining, dry machining applications.